Welcome, my name is Sarah and this is Vision Weaving. Today's healing energy session is for the lymphatic system. It's not a replacement for Western medicine, it's intended as a support. And if you have any struggles with your lymph or are working with any kind of immune disorder, use this healing energy directed at your lymphatic system. I acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine and this is not a replacement for Western medicine. All you need to do to receive this healing energy is to nod or affirm yes. Go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. So I'm feeling this beautiful pulsing, rippling energy from above the crown, through the body and down, out through the feet and into the ground, just to stimulate the flow in the lymphatic system. Take another beautiful, sweet, rich, deep breath, allowing this flow of the lymph any blockages in your life, any obstacles, actual physical blockages that you're working with in your waking experience of reality, reflected on the internal realm of the lymph system and vice versa. So as we work with this energy, just allowing to surface in your mind, what is the blocks that you're working with? Where are you finding restriction, obstacles, resistance in your life? Just allowing those experiences, those people, those circumstances to surface in your life now, so that we can allow them to flow, so that we can clear those blockages, so that we can allow the resistance to dissolve and resolve and absolve, so that the immune system can do its job. Still feeling this energy from top of the head all the way down through the feet, pulsing, rippling, casting out any debris, any detritus, any sticky, thorny barbs, any energy that is stagnant, just letting it clear out so that you can be discerning in your life of what you want to work with, what no longer serves you, that you can release. Anything sticking to you, maybe it's somebody else's energy that's sticking to you, just letting that wash out of your feet right now. From top to toe, wash out of your energy field. The lymphatic system receiving a beautiful bump start today, a reactivation, an encouragement and support from the divine source of all creation. An infusion of goodness, an infusion of vitality, an infusion of support to function optimally, to function in the best way possible, in sync, working alongside all of the other body systems, synchronized, meticulously working synergetically, harmoniously, allowing any discord or distortions to flow out as waste product. Through the fluid that is the lymph. All of the systems operating at their peak in a state of gentle flow. And as this healing energy is infusing your lymph, the intricate network of the lymph system, all of the organs, all of the tissues, all of the vessels and the nodes, receiving this healing energy, transmitting nutrients, releasing the waste, also letting go of anything in your life that doesn't serve you, that you don't have to embody, don't have to hold in those tissues and cells. Just with another sweet, rich, beautiful breath, just allowing everything that you're holding in your life that no longer serves you to let go, release, wash out of all the body's tissues and cells. Beautiful process of osmosis as the fluids and the salts, your hydration, just allows it to draw out all of the toxins, the byproducts, the things that your body doesn't need, just drawing it out and allowing the lymph to take it out and filter it away. And now receiving this beautiful pulsing energy into the lymph, into the white blood cells, doing their job. Your little soldiers on the front line, fighting infection, fighting disease, helping the body to heal and restore and balance, allowing this energy to support the white blood cells. Gentle oscillation through the physical body, a gentle pulse wave. Nourishing the white blood cells, supporting them to do their job. Gratitude to the white blood cells, gratitude to your immune system. Thank you so much for supporting the rest of the body to function. Thank you, lymphatic system. Remember to drink lots of water, stay hydrated. And a balancing of the tissue salts in your body, the balance of fluids and salt in your body, just allowing that to be regulated and balanced. This miraculous lymphatic system of yours, it's keeping everything flowing, allowing you to let go, supporting the immune system. Thank you, lymphatic system. Thank you so much. Bless.